he? Is he in Meadowhall on his own?
Yeah.
Just wandering about? He's right as daft as one really ought to.
You can't tell. Who's Check?
Check?
Yeah.
Get him up. Let's have a look. I honestly don't know without looking at him.
We'll get him up.
Come on then.
No.
What?
Well, he added me.
He hasn't added me, has he? He's added you.
Yeah.
Well, he obviously knows you.
He knows you. He added me when you
Is
came.
any more mutual friends with him?
Yeah, it's mutual friends with you.
Yeah, but anybody else that you know is mutual?
Check. Did you go to school with him?
I don't know anybody called Check.
Scott.
Scott Check. Check.
Jack.
Jack.
Check.
Check.
Check. Yeah.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Scott Check.
Yeah.
Honestly, truthfully, I don't know. I don't know anybody called that. Unless he's got a different name to what he went to school. You know, people do put like different names.
That does a bit of a weird name, like, innit?
Yeah. You'd obviously know somebody if it was just distinct like that. Check. Scott.
Scott.
Scott Check. You fucking dickhead. I'm not your fucking head off. Fucking Scott Check.